So my pops was always on top of me never to kneel on the cold concrete. He was always saying it would hurt my joints over the years. So one of the first things that he would do is, you know, at least have a rag, kneel on a rag. So that was one thing. Another thing he used to do is those Styrofoam insulation. He used to cut squares out of it and then you just kneel on that. So these are some of the last squares of Styrofoam that I have laying around that I still use to this day that Pops had cut. And I'm going to use them till I can't use them anymore because now Pops is gone. But I did find these things at the dollar store. So this one, I don't know why they call it a dollar store anymore. The fucking thing was $3.48. But these are kneeling pads for gardening. So I thought, hey, you know what? That works really nice. Comes with a handle. I can hang it on the wall. Probably stand up better than the Styrofoam did. There you go. Trick of the day. Tickety boo.